This is the official launching of the intensified IEC campaign. It's a campaign to generate more awareness on HIV/AIDS amongst the general population. So this year we're targeting more than 1,000 villages with more than 3,000 to 4,000 door-to-door campaign as well. As you've all seen in the news lately, there's been a lot of talk about HIV/AIDS program in Meghalaya. We've seen the rise in cases that we all know that it's about 10,000 plus now. So we want to cater, especially our target group, especially the youth. So this campaign is being officially launched today on the occasion of International Youth Day as well. And besides the campaign, we're also having different activities. We are having a rally, bike rally, along with the school and college students. We actually just recently had a short film competition as well, which we'll be announcing today at the day of the campaign. Besides that, we have the poster making competition as well. This I think everybody knows. So as of right now, according to the estimates, we have about 9,500. But with the latest data we've seen, we have about 10,000 plus people living with HIV. So our main focus is to encourage people to come forward to do the HIV test, so that if they do have the virus also, they can actually seek treatment. When it comes to the prevalence, we are number 6 in the entire country and number 4 in Northeast. So which is why, from Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, we want the support of each and everyone actually to work together with us, so that we can actually end HIV for real. According to the SDG goal, by 2030 we have to end the new infections of HIV.